G'day. In this video, I'll show you how to create SEO-friendly blog introductions that grab attention and improve your search rankings. So what does a good blog introduction really need? It needs a strong hook. Start with an engaging sentence or question that grabs attention. Use a statistic, a bold statement, or address a common pain point. Pain points are what I generally focus on due to the fact that it's an emotional feeling. If you can address it, people are going to be more likely to click. Ever wonder why your barbecue doesn't taste like the pros? Let's fix that. Well, that's not the example I'm going to be using in this video, but that's not bad. I mean, my barbecue's not great. Let's fix it. I'll click it. I'll see where it takes me. Clear topic overview. Explain what the blog is about and why it's valuable. Why it's valuable, that would be the key there. You've got to tell people why they should be reading. You'll learn the secrets to smoking meat like a pitmaster. Naturally include the primary correct keywords. You want to get the keywords into the introduction. Expectations, tone alignment. So let's go with write an SEO-friendly introduction for a blog post about 10 tips for organic gardening. I've stuck with the theme from the previous video. Want to grow. So instantly there, I see too much text. I prefer my introductions to be shorter and just to the point, do their job, and let's move on to the actual content. Also, I was hoping that was going to open with Canvas, but that's fine. Let's see what it said anyway. Want to grow a thriving garden without relying on chemicals? Organic gardening not only produces healthier, tastier vegetables, but also supports the environment. Very good hook. I like that. Want to grow a thriving garden without relying on chemicals? Organic gardening not only produces healthier, tastier vegetables, but also supports the environment. So, in my opinion, that's solid. In this post, we'll share 10 practical tips to help you start or improve your organic garden. From enriching your soil naturally to whether you're seasoned or a beginner. Yeah, so this part at the end, get rid of. Just space out from, let's try, open in Canvas. This wasn't going to be the video, but now we're here, we're going to be doing this anyway. So any text you can open in Canvas. What did I say? Whether, oh, is there anything? Let's get, yeah, no, garbage. Jeez, they're using it's better. So there, want to grow a thriving garden without relying on chemicals. Organic gardening not only produces healthier, tastier vegetables, but also supports the environment. In this post, we'll share 10 practical tips to help you start or improve your organic garden, from enriching your soil naturally to choosing the right companion plants. These strategies are simple and effective. Perfect. You've hooked them in for why they should read. You've then given them a breakdown about what the post is about or your blog's about, and they can decide from there if they want to read on or not. So that's not too bad at all. Oh, now we're in Canvas. This is going to be unreal. But at times you want to, depending on who you're targeting. So can you please make this intro more engaging for beginners? Dreaming of a lush chemical. So now this might add some text because we're aiming for beginners, which means it might need to give them a little bit more context just to draw them in. Dreaming of a lush, chemical-free garden, but not sure where to start? Organic gardening is simpler than you think. So there we go, saying the word simpler than you think. Beginners, that works perfectly and comes with big rewards. We'll share 10 beginner-friendly tips to kickstart or boost your organic gardening journey, from building rich, natural soil to picking easy to follow. Again, aiming at beginners. We'll set you up for now target people that have been gardening for years. So once you have your basic introduction, you can then change it any way you like to target any audience you like. If you've been running your blog post for 5 years, you will have a general idea of who that post is going to be targeting. So if you're writing an introduction, simple things like that. Aim for a professional, aim for a beginner, aim for someone who's been out of the game for 10 years, because it will then say, well, should we try that? Write this introduction as if someone is just coming back into gardening after 10 years. And what should happen here is we will see, thinking about getting back into gardening after a 10-year break, the joy of growing your own food and seeing your garden flourish hasn't changed, but techniques and trends in organic gardening have come a long way. Unreal. That, really, really good. 10 tips. I just wanted to see if there was going to be another reconnect with your passion. So there you go. It's that simple. Just adding different things to your prompt, targeting your audience. You can really get a fantastic introduction, and it takes no time at all. If you know who you're targeting, you know your keywords, you've asked ChatGPT what needs to be in a introduction, here you have it. You've got it all. And that's taken, 6 minutes, including my jibber jabber. So that's all. I hope you've learned something from this. I hope you've seen how easy it is to actually optimize your introductions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this one, hit the like button, click subscribe for all my other videos. And if you want more information about general SEO tips, go and check out my blogging playlist. I will link it somewhere within the video. Thanks again for watching. Have a good one.